Hello and welcome back again, my friend. I'm sorry for my voice again. I'm still ill, my friend, but I don't want to leave you that way. Me every time, even when I am ill, I came to put for you videos. So I'm sorry for my bad voice. I know it is very bad, but what can we do? I need to register for you a video to tell you the update of the market. So if you are not subscriber, you watching us now, please make sure to go down and subscribe to our channel, turn that red button to be gray, and smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. So guys, without making that video too long, the first one we got is the Bitcoin as you see it here in the daily. And what did I told you yesterday here at that level here? If you remember, I told you we got that, it came that green candle, the volume of it. And I told you, look at the sellers here. I told you the sellers, they're still powerful. And even today, the volume came. There is no buyers want to buy now from that level. Look at it, very clear what the volume telling you here. The volume here, it telling you the sellers, they still very powerful. And I told you all those things is going to change tomorrow. Tomorrow, the 1st of September, is going to come very, very stronger news. Let me go and show it to you. As you see it here, my friend. What you see here in that zone. Initial job claims, and that one is not major. The major one tomorrow is that one. As you see it, it's the one. As you see it, it's going to come at 2 o'clock UTC or GMT time, and you make it with your local time. As you see, the previous one used to be 52.8. The forecasting of investing, by the way, that page web here I'm using, his name investing.com. As you see it, you can go to it online and open an account with them. It's free. It's like trading view, let's make it like that. Over here, you can even follow your portfolio and those things. So, as you see, what did I told you? The previous one, it came 52. And the forecasting here, as you see it, I'll make it for you. As you see, my friend, what I'm telling you, the previous one, it used to be 52.8. The forecasting of investing here is 52. That man is going to fall down. And if it falling down like that, that man, the US dollar is going to go more higher. SP500 is going to fall down more and more. Why? Because the ISM, look at the name, what is it? ISM is an institute in Michigan. They're making a survey. You can even go online and search about it. They tell you what the manufacturing doing in USA, what the companies they do, which companies they doing well, which companies they don't do well, a lot of things there. But I'm not going to the survey all of it or the index all of it. I just explain it to you a little bit here. So if it came tomorrow, as you see it here, 52.8. That's the previous one. The one here in the middle, the one that what investing forecasting. That's what the forecast of them. They said it's going to fall down. It's going to come 52, but if tomorrow it came here lower than 52 or lower than 52.8, if it came only 52.4, everything is going to do what I tell it to you. The US dollar is going to go high. The SP500 is going to fall down. The Bitcoin is going to fall down. Remember those things very, very, very well, my friend. And another one here, as you see it here, in Friday, 2nd of September at 12:30, what you got? You got here, non-farm payroll of USA or unemployment. Let's make it like that. As you see it here, unemployment rate. And that one, even that one is going to make a big reaction at the market. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go back now to the chart to explain to you more what is it there. Here we are in the chart, my friend. As you see it, as we're talking on the candle, it's showing more falling down. And here what we got, let's see our levels. As you see it, the trend line, as we said, is going to hold. Till now it doesn't hold in. So what the Bitcoin is going to do is going to fall down, of course. Also, we give you in-depth analysis, my friend, not like other people. They can give you moving averages crosses. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to help us to put more content like this, my friend. You done it? Let's continue. Now let's go into the SP500 to see what the SP500 telling us today for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here we are in the SP500 index fund. As you see it, what did I told you yesterday? I told you it's going to continue falling, and that's what it did today. But only one thing you need to make close eye at it here. The volume of the SP500, my friend. what it's doing here. It's getting lower here. Why? Because all those investors now, they are waiting tomorrow news what is going to do. The only people now they are in the market is the market makers, because those ones they're earning money from here, from the spread. Those ones they don't care where is the market is going to go or is going to fall down or whatever. Them they're earning money from the spread between buy and sell. You get what I'm telling you or no? In USA they paying brokers for them to sell to you. So now there is no investors in the market. The only people now in the market is only market makers. Market makers now they doing whatever they want. No one care about them. But as you see it, the SP is in a big falling. And I told you, tomorrow news, if it came positive, it's going to go high. If it came negative, you're going to see the SP lower, my friend. So make a close eye at those things, and I'm going to update you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. It's very easy and simple. A red button next to the video down, click at it. It's going to become gray, and next to it a bell, turn it to all. You done it? Let me show you the levels me I got here. As you see it, the SP not yet touched that level me I told you. So it's still more room for it to fall down till here. You get it or no, my friend? And the SP is going to fall down more than that. That our technical analysis plus fundamental is showing us we are headed now for another crash. Let's see now that the DXY or US dollar index, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, the DXY, what it's telling us here. The DXY here at that level, what did I told you yesterday? I told you it's going to stay ranging here till the news came, because the news is the fuel of the market. An engine without fuel, it will not move. That's what the news doing to the market. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So what now going to happen here to the US dollar index? The US dollar index is going to stay here all the week or all the days. Then we're going to see when the news came. Maybe the news is going to come. The time when it's going to come, make a correction tail here. Then after that, it's going to go more high. I remember my word, my friend. That's how it works in that market. So now let's going back to the Bitcoin to see what the Bitcoin telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the Bitcoin, let's see our indicators, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here, if you remember yesterday, what else we done about that trend line. We make it, then I told you, what did I told you? I told you he'd break it like that. But let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. If you make a close eye with me at that level here, where that one reached last night. That one last night, he came till here, then he make a correction like that, then he went up now to it. He couldn't break it, my friend. He couldn't break it. Now there is one of two, because the candle in the market is telling us something different. Yes, it's not finished, and then when it's going to finish it, I'm going to come back to you. So if you like our analysis and you want to continue watching our analysis, it's very easy and simple, my friend. Go down and subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, so you're going to receive every time our videos when also we put in them, and you're going to be notified. You done it? So let's continue here. As I tell it to you, it's going to come till here, till that zone here. When the daily candle, I'm going to come back to you and I'm going to tell you if it's going to go up or it's going to go down again. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, as you see it, it's still here going down. So it's still more room for it to fall down till the oversold area, my friend. Make a close eye at those levels. When it's going to enter here at the oversold area, I'm going to update you in the coming days. So it's very simple. You just subscribe to our channel so you're going to be notified, or you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. So now let's go into the 4 hours to show you what the Bitcoin in 4 hours doing today. Here in the 4 hours, you see what the Bitcoin done today, my friend. If you remember, us we got here at that zone, and I'm going to show it to you when we came to it. Here, a trend line. It's coming from the top. And here down, another one. It's a falling wage, or name it whatever you want. But now look at it, what it done. It came the first time till here, then he fall down yesterday till here. Yesterday we are here. Then look what it done. Look what it doing now. He couldn't break that level here. That one here, he couldn't break it. Why? If you're looking down here, what did I told you when that candle came, that red one, that one? I told you the sellers, they are powerful. Look at that green the one with that volume. Sellers, buyers, they are not powerful like the sellers. Look here, that one, the bigger one, big engulfing candle. Look at the volume of it compared to the previous ones. What it's showing you here, it's falling down. Yes or no? Look here, that red candle here with that red one here. What the volume indicate to you here of the sellers? Sellers, they are very powerful here. So now what the view? The view is going to fall down. It's very simple because the volume here indicate sellers, they are powerful than the buyers. Buyers, they don't got any power here. As you see then, you're just getting lower and lower and lower. If you bring here from the last green candle like that to the green one, to the one, to the one, what it indicate to you? Something not right, my friend. Because here in the volume it's going up, here in the volume lower it's going down. Everything is too clear. Let's see our chart for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, what else we talking about, my friend? What did I told? The Bitcoin, it came down till here, he go up here, he went down, now he go up. So now the Bitcoin, one of two. You need to break the top of that one or to break the lower of that one. And here the Bitcoin, he tried to give you here, Bitcoin here, he tried to give you a double bottom, my friend, as you see it. So now if the Bitcoin, there is two things it need to complete it for you to enter long, because in our indicators, the Bitcoin given us a divergence, our indicators, they given us also we are at the oversold area, but two things, they need to be finished. The first one, the Bitcoin to break for you the trend line here. Second one, the Bitcoin to break for you that last high here. If it done those ones, you're going to see the Bitcoin here in the 4 hours, my friend, till here, till the 200 moving average. Remember those things, my friend, very, very, very well. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, also is still here at the oversold area. And I tell you now, also we are in a very stronger level. The price here, it tried to give you here a double bottom or a W. So now it needs to break for us that trend line. I repeat it again. And it needs to break for us the last high. Then you enter long, the stop loss, you put it lower than here. Take profit here at 200 moving average, the simple one. Let's see our other indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. That one, as you see it, my friend, what we said before, we said we got here a divergence like that, and we got here in the chart a divergence like that. That's what we said in the previous videos, and you can go back and watch them. And what we said here to that indicator, let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, because I know it's going to be very small like that. And what we said here at that indicator, we said here we're still in the control of the sellers. People who want to sell, the still in control here. And we said yesterday, when it's given us that peak here, it's going to go back to here. But me, I'm going to be sure when that one breaking for me, that middle here, and turn off from the control of the bears to the bulls control. That's where me, I will know it. It's going to go up higher. Till now, when we are down here, it's still the control of the sellers, my friend. And what we done yesterday, if you remember, and you've been someone who been subscriber with us, and we said we got here a trend line like that. Yes or no? What the price done? Came here, he touched it. Then he came here now, he touched it. And now he's showing a rejection. And what I told you, I told you need to extend that one here, that divergence trend line here, the down one. And you waiting the price to touch it again. And if it doesn't break it, that's when you are going to go higher. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here in 30 minutes yesterday, what did I told you? I give you a signal to buy from here, if you remember. And that's what it's bring for you. I told you to take profit, it needs to be here. And it's bring it for you or no. Why? Because it's very simple, my friend. Three things together. Supply and demand, indicator is it at the oversold, and the Bitcoin chart is giving you a price action indicate that the market is going to go up. Now what the Bitcoin doing? If you see here, the Bitcoin, it came here to the 200 moving average. It showed there a rejection, but that rejection, it will not last for long. Let me show it to you. As you see it, my friend, it came to it here, show that big candle, a green one next to it, but here it's still pushing down. It left 4 minutes for that candle. So I think it's going to go back where it used to be, here down. Let's see our indicators, what they're telling us, what the picture should be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, my friend, yesterday we used to be here, came here to the overbought area. That's the right time for you to take the profit. Now look at it where it is. Now there is no buying, no selling. It might from here go back to the overbought, but you are not buying from here, from the middle. You buy always from down, from the oversold, and you sell at the overbought. It's like that how you need to learn to trade. Everything is too clear? So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle finished. If you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification. So see you tomorrow, my friend. Bye for now.